What a bloody Monday we're having. It's July 23rd, 2012. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. Check this out. Markets have just opened. We're down 213 points on the Dow. We're down 1.66%. The S&P down 1.5. We're down 2.2% on the Nasdaq, and Russell's down 2%. That is huge drops. Nasdaq E-mini future down 2.3. That is a huge drop. The banks are down 1.3 at this moment. The VIX just moments ago was up 25%. Right now we're at 23% in the green, right here back at 20. And commodities just taking a major hit at this moment. Crude oil down 3.4%. Crude oil is in the dumps. And we're getting a pop here on the US dollar. Again, the markets have only been open about 7 minutes now, and this is what we're seeing. I want to use this as you know, I'm a mentor, a coach, an instructor, and I want to use this as a teaching time here. So pass this on to your colleagues. We had this uptrend. Everything's bullish in an uptrend. These two blue lines going higher. But then we go into this symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangles can be bullish or they could be bearish. Let's go forward. We pop above that major trend line right there. That is a very bullish move. But for those of you who follow my videos on a daily basis, which I do highly recommend, I did not like something I was seeing in the market internals. There was something that thought, ooh, I'm not convinced with this breakout. It pops up again, but yet again, something that I was seeing was not convincing me that this was a sound and vital breakout to the upside taking place. It should have popped when we got over this trend line right there. So tell me down there in the comments what we were seeing that kept us from wanting to get too excited about this breakout. On Friday, comes crashing down. Now here's the problem. On Friday when we drop, we have a new blue line coming across here, and this one coming up. That makes a rising wedge, which is more bearish than it is bullish. The other problem here is we came down. We could not hold that line of support. We broke that support line. So in my book, this is called a hook. You have a symmetrical triangle hook. So when you have this faux or false breakout, I call them fake outs. And once we have that fake out and it immediately comes back into the apex, I call these hooks, and those can be very bearish to the downside when this happens. Monday so far we have this, and that's where we're at right now. Big drop. What's interesting here is we've broken through some EMAs, the 20 SMA, and just come slamming through this main trend line. Support. We broke it with ease, and then we come across, we have this line as a support area. We broke that. We're at 1340 right now at this moment, and by the end of the day, if we hold this, it could just be a gnarly, nasty red leg coming down, and there should be some momentum, and that should only carry itself downward. As far as the week is concerned, this is a weekly chart. We have a lower high, lower low already commencing here on the weekly chart. On the monthly, our green candlestick that we had is now red. So again, share this video with your colleagues and be very careful in this market. And while I'm here, might as well do the spider. Let's go to a 60-minute and give you some levels. Here are the levels that I'm looking at. We happen to be at one right now. Look at this big free fall, boom. I mean, just a huge drop on the 60-minute chart. We're at a support area at 134.10, and we're seeing that support hold up right now. Other support levels I'd be looking at for today are these guys, and then as far as resistance levels are concerned, here are your resistance levels. You can pause the video to get those. Alright, there you have it. Stay tuned and be part of the chat room today, and we will see what the markets bring us, and make sure you do not miss tonight's video.